Exploring the North Georgia mountains with the Strider SO Fat Tire e-bike is an exhilarating experience that highlights the bike's capabilities. Known for their picturesque landscapes and challenging terrains, the North Georgia mountains provide the perfect testing ground for an e-bike designed to handle rugged paths, steep inclines, and various weather conditions. The Strider SO, with its advanced features and robust design, is built to meet these challenges head-on, offering a riding experience that combines comfort, control, and excitement. Upon first taking the Strider SO out on the mountain trail, one immediately notices its lightweight design compared to other fat tire e-bikes. This feature is crucial for navigating the mountainous terrain where agility and maneuverability are essential. The bike's frame feels solid and well constructed, inspiring confidence in its ability to withstand the demands of off-road biking. The 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires, specifically designed for fat tire e-bikes, provide excellent traction on loose gravel and muddy paths, allowing the rider to maintain control even on slippery surfaces. The Strider SO Fat Tire e-bike comes with a straightforward assembly process that makes it easy for users to set up their bike quickly and efficiently. Below is a summary of the assembly instructions as detailed in the user manual. Insert the handlebars into the stem, ensuring they are centered and aligned with the front wheel. Tighten the stem bolts to secure the handlebars in place. Ensure that all bolts are tightened evenly and that the handlebars are firmly fixed. Next, we install the front wheel. Position the bike frame upside down to make it easier to install the front wheel. Align the front wheel axle with the fork dropouts. Ensure the disc brake rotor fits correctly into the caliper. Secure the front wheel using the provided axle bolts or quick release skewer. Depending on the bike model, tighten the bolts firmly but avoid over-tightening. Next, you want to install the pedals. Identify the left and right pedals. Use a pedal wrench to tighten each pedal securely, ensuring they are firmly attached. Next, you want to adjust the saddle. Insert the seat post into the seat tube, adjusting saddle height to your preferred riding position. Ensure the saddle is level and firmly attached. Now you want to go over all bolts and components to ensure everything is tight and secure. Inflate the tires to the recommended pressure as indicated on the tire sidewall. Test the bike by taking it for a short ride to ensure everything is working properly and make final adjustments as needed. The North Georgia mountains are renowned for their steep inclines, which can pose a significant challenge for many bikes. However, the Strider SO's 750-watt motor demonstrates impressive power and torque, tackling the most demanding hills. The motor's performance is strikingly notable when utilizing the bike's pedal assist feature, which offers 5 different levels. This customization allows riders to choose the level of assistance they require, making steep climbs less daunting and more enjoyable. The motor's 85 Newton meters of torque rating ensures that even the steepest sections are manageable, providing smooth ascents without straining the rider or the bike. Navigating the winding trails of the North Georgia mountains requires precise handling and stability, both of which the Strider SO excels in. The bike's fat tires contribute significantly to its stability, absorbing shocks from uneven terrain and providing a smooth ride over rocks and roots. The ergonomic frame design also plays a crucial role, offering a balanced ride that feels natural and responsive. Riders will appreciate the bike's ability to maintain stability even at higher speeds, where many bikes might struggle with wobbling or loss of control. Descending the mountain trails is where the Strider SO truly shines. The bike's hydraulic disc brakes provide exceptional stopping power, crucial for maintaining control on steep downhill sections. This feature is especially important in the North Georgia mountains, where sudden drops and sharp turns are common. The brakes inspire confidence, allowing riders to focus on enjoying the ride without worrying about their ability to stop quickly and safely. The bike's frame and tire combination also contribute to a stable descent, reducing the risk of skidding or losing control. A key consideration for any e-bike is its battery life, especially when tackling long mountain rides. The Strider SO's 720 watt-hour battery delivers an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, more than sufficient for a full day of exploration in the mountains. This range is achieved even when utilizing the pedal assist feature, making it ideal for riders who want to spend an entire day on the trails without worrying about recharging. The battery's lightweight design also contributes to the bike's overall agility, ensuring that it doesn't feel cumbersome despite its powerful capabilities. Long rides through the mountains can be taxing, but the Strider SO's design prioritizes rider comfort. The ergonomic frame geometry provides a natural riding position that reduces fatigue during extended rides. The bike's suspension system is another standout feature, effectively absorbing the bumps and jolts that come with off-road riding. This attention to comfort ensures that riders can focus on enjoying the scenery and the ride itself rather than worrying about discomfort or strain. One of the Strider SO's most significant advantages is its versatility, making it suitable for various terrains and conditions. In the North Georgia mountains, where trails can transition from dirt to gravel to pavement, this adaptability is invaluable. The bike's fat tires handle each surface with ease, while the motor's power ensures consistent performance regardless of the trail's demands. Whether navigating a rocky path or a smooth downhill stretch, the Strider SO offers a seamless transition that enhances the overall riding experience. The North Georgia mountains are known for unpredictable weather, with conditions that can change rapidly. The Strider SO is designed to handle such variability, featuring an IP65 rated waterproof protection that ensures reliability even in wet conditions. This waterproofing is particularly beneficial when encountering unexpected rain showers or traversing wet, muddy trails. The bike's components are well protected, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring that the bike performs well in the majority of weather conditions. Having tested several other fat tire e-bikes, the Strider SO stands out for its combination of lightweight design, power, and versatility. While other bikes may excel in one area, the Strider SO offers a well-rounded package that caters to riders seeking a balanced performance across various terrains. The SO's reduced weight not only enhances the bike's handling and agility, but also contributes to a more enjoyable riding experience, especially on the challenging trails of the North Georgia mountains. Fat tires are a hallmark of bikes designed for versatility and rugged terrain, and the Strider SO's tires are no exception. These tires provide a larger contact patch with the ground, offering improved traction and stability. In the North Georgia mountains, where trails can vary from loose gravel to compact dirt, this added traction is invaluable. The wide tires also allow the bike to float over softer surfaces like sand and snow, reducing the likelihood of getting bogged down in challenging conditions. This feature expands the bike's usability, making it a great choice for year-round riding across diverse landscapes. Despite its lighter weight, the Strider SO does not compromise on sturdiness. The bike feels solid and durable, which is essential for tackling rough mountain trails. The frame is built to withstand the stresses of off-road riding, providing a sense of security when traversing rocky or uneven ground. This durability ensures that the bike remains a reliable companion for adventurers who push their equipment to the limits. The high-quality components and thoughtful engineering contribute to a ride that is both robust and resilient, ready to take on the challenges presented by the North Georgia mountains. The Strider SO is equipped with advanced technology that enhances the riding experience. The high-resolution 2-inch TFT LCD display offers real-time information about speed, battery life, and assist level, allowing riders to make informed decisions on the trail. The display's auto brightness adjustment ensures visibility in varying light conditions, which is particularly useful when riding through forested areas where light levels can change abruptly. Additionally, the bike's anti-theft features, including a secure locking mechanism and a password protection system, provides peace of mind when parking the bike in remote or populated areas. Riding the Strider SO in the North Georgia mountains is an adventure in itself. The bike's ability to handle steep climbs and challenging descents make it a joy for both seasoned riders and newcomers to mountain biking. The powerful motor and flexible pedal assist allow riders to focus on enjoying the trail rather than worrying about the bike's capabilities. The smooth power delivery and responsive handling make it easy to adapt to changing conditions, whether it's a sudden uphill climb or a tricky downhill section. This seamless integration of power and control defines the Strider. Owning a Strider SO fat tire e-bike opens up opportunities to engage with a community of like-minded adventurers. The North Georgia mountains are a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts, and the Strider SO is an excellent vehicle for exploring this vibrant landscape. Whether joining group rides or setting out on a solo adventure, the bike fosters a sense of freedom and exploration. The supportive community of Strider SO owners and the availability of compatible accessories further enhance the ownership experience, making it easy to customize the bike to fit individual needs and preferences. The Strider SO Fat Tire e-bike is a remarkable choice for exploring the North Georgia mountains. Its combination of lightweight design, powerful motor, and advanced features makes it an ideal companion for navigating the diverse and challenging terrain found in this region. With its impressive climbing power, stability on descents, and exceptional build quality, the Strider SO stands out as a flexible and reliable e-bike that meets the demands of adventurous riders, whether tackling rugged trails or enjoying a leisurely ride through scenic landscapes. The Strider SO delivers a thrilling and fulfilling riding experience that embodies the spirit of exploration and adventure.